Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is some energy bars, no bake, gluten-free energy bars. Healthy, nutritious, delicious, and homemade. You will see here in the pictures after I cut the bars how you can see some nuts, some seeds, and they have dates and some oats. Also, the ingredients very simple. We need 1 cup of oats. I used here gluten-free oatmeal. 2 cups of pitted dates. A half cup of mixed nuts, whatever nuts you prefer. I have here some peanuts and walnuts. You can use almonds if you like to. 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes and 1 tablespoon of seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, any seeds you have, and a quart teaspoon of cardamom and a quart teaspoon of cinnamon. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I forgot to show the picture here. First of all, we take the oats and we toast them in a pan until light brown, like that. You will see the color in the end. We keep stirring them from time to time to don't burn. Now this is the color that we want to have in our oats. We only toast them. After toasting the oats, we add them hot to the dates paste. Then we toast the rest of the nuts and the seeds. We only light toasting them. Only get brown a little bit. That's it. To the dates and oats, we add the cinnamon and the cardamom and the coconut oil, the 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Everybody know the health benefit of coconut oil, and also have a very nice sweet taste. Now we mix everything together until all these oats and the oil get together with the dates. We use the oats when they're still hot, like that they can get well mixed very well with the dates. We keep mixing until we see everything gets together. At this point, we add the nuts and the seeds. And be careful, this mixture is hot right now. I will use a glove, but still, it's hot. Be careful when you mix it. But it's best to mix it when it's hot, so all the ingredients mix very well together. Now we take a container and we put some parchment paper right there, and we put our mixture right there and try to flatten it. And it's very important, you have to press like that. All the ingredients will stick together. Press. The height is you choose whatever height you like for your energy bars. And you keep pressing with serving spoon or the back of the bottom of a cup, anything to make it flat. Then you put it on the fridge and leave it for a few hours or overnight. And this is the result. I left it overnight in my refrigerator. And see how this is one piece. Like I pressed it really good the night before. and now I can cut it into energy bars. And as you see, now we have energy bars made from oats, dates, some nuts and seeds, homemade, healthy, easy to make, and the most important, that is very delicious and nutritious. Thank you for watching. Let me know your opinion in the comments. See you next time in a new recipe and a new video. Enjoy!